Hey, this is just a little instructional video for those of you that may have missed class today. It was a big day in class because we are going to do our review sheet for Wednesday's test. But this is something that you can easily do on your own at home, but I just want to make sure that you understand what to do, okay? Let me show you. In Classroom here, your study guide is posted. And everything in the study guide you should have is found in your book or your notes. Okay, so have your book open to page 13 and your notes open as well. So for example, the first one says, what are the 5 themes of geography and define each one? Well, one resource I can use is my own notes. And if you look, I'm like, oh yeah, I have notes on the 5 themes of geography. So you could open that up and copy and paste right in there. Or if you look in your book to page 13, right here. If you look in your book to page 13, you will see that you also have the 5 themes of geography right there. 14. Okay, starting at page 14. So you have your notes and you have your book. All right. So then if you would scroll down after you did that, you have to give absolute and relative location, still all on there. What region of the world is the United States located in? Okay, so you would turn the page. Oh, world regions is the next section. So on page 16 and 17, you have about the world regions there. How many continents are there in the world? How many oceans are there in the world? Oh yeah, I have that map packet that I can look that up on. Okay, then all parts of a map, define these parts of the map. Again, you go to elements of a map notes and they're all in there. Okay, so if you follow just lesson by lesson and the notes that you have, all the answers are found in your textbook or in your notes or both. All right, so once you've submitted that, I will also send to you a filled out study guide so you can kind of check to make sure you have the right answers. All right, so we missed you in class today. Do your best of filling out the study guide. I will send you some answers as soon as you submit yours, and we'll talk, and hopefully you're ready for the test on Wednesday. If you need an extra day, I understand that too. All right, so have a great day. We missed you.